Welcome. Today, let's make sure you never miss an important unread email in your Gmail inbox. Whether you use Android or iPhone, following these updated steps will help you quickly filter out what really matters, your important unread emails. Start by opening the Gmail app on your device. That's your home base for all your messages and notifications. Look up in the top left corner of your screen for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines or hamburger icon. Give it a tap. This opens a sidebar full of all your different email categories, labels, and settings. Now, scroll down the sidebar until you spot the section labeled Important. Go ahead and tap on Important. This instantly filters your inbox, so what you'll see next are all the emails that Gmail considers important. These are usually messages from contacts you communicate with most, messages you've opened before, or emails containing keywords you often engage with. But let's take this one step further and focus only on the important emails you haven't read yet. At the top of the screen, you'll find a row of quick filter tabs right below the search bar. Look for the tab labeled In Unread and tap it. With a single tap, Gmail will neatly display only your unread, high-priority messages. These are the messages that need your attention. No clutter, just what matters. Now, you're set. With these steps, you can easily and regularly check for important unread emails, so you'll always be up to date on everything that matters most, both for work and personal life. Try making it a habit to check this filtered view every day. It's a quick and powerful way to stay organized, avoid missing key conversations, and keep your inbox stress-free. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, leave a comment below with your favorite Gmail productivity tip, and stay organized.